I just want to share a quick word. I've gotten today, being Valentine's Day and everything, we know how the enemy likes to mess with our minds. But I wanted to share this with you because this is my thank you and love you from me to you, but the Father gave it to me, and so I want to share it with you. I know that there was a time before we were together, before we smiled and laughed and talked, dreamed, but before our two paths miraculously collided and grew into one. I know that there was a time, but it's hard to picture before anymore. And that's just the way I think that God meant it to be. That we found each other. I love